TS TET 2025 results declared. How to check your scores. The results for the TS TET 2025 have been officially announced. If you're eager to find out your scores for the Telangana Teacher Eligibility Test, you can do so by visiting the official website at tgtet.aptonline.in. This announcement was made by the Hyderabad Department of School Education, Government of Telangana, on July 22. Candidates can access their results for both Paper 1 and Paper 2 through this platform. How to access your TS TET Result 2025. Checking your results is straightforward. Just follow these 4 simple steps. 1. Go to the official TS TET website. Start by visiting tgtet.aptonline.in. 2. Find the results link. Look for the link labeled TGTT June Result on the homepage. 3. Enter your details. A new page will appear where you will need to input your journal number/hall ticket number, date of birth, and select the applied exam paper before clicking on the Proceed button. 4. View and download your results. After submitting your information, you can check your results. It's a good idea to download and print a copy for your records. Additionally, candidates can also view their TS TET Result 2025 on the alternative site schooldue.telangana.gov.in. Understanding the pass percentage. The results were released by TGTET convener E. Naveen Nicholas, as reported by The Hindu. Out of 47,224 candidates who took Paper I, 29,043 successfully passed, resulting in a pass percentage of 61.5%. For Paper 2, the statistics were a bit different. The pass percentage for the Maths and Science section was 35.87%, while Social Studies saw a lower pass rate of 31.73%. Specifically, 17,574 candidates qualified in the Maths and Science Paper 2, and 13,075 candidates passed the Social Studies exam. In total, among the 183,653 candidates who registered for the TGTT June 2025 exam, 90,205 actually participated in the test. It's important to note that passing this teacher eligibility test is a crucial step for those aspiring to secure teaching positions in government schools throughout Telangana. Important notes on eligibility and validity. The qualifying marks for the TS TET 2025 differ based on reserved categories, which is an essential consideration for many candidates. Paper 1 is designed for those aiming to teach at the primary level, while Paper 2 is intended for upper primary level educators. According to the Telangana government, the scores obtained in TS TET 2025 are valid for a lifetime. However, it's crucial to understand that while qualifying for TS TET 2025 is necessary, it does not guarantee a job. Candidates must still take the teacher recruitment test, as passing the TS TET is just one of the requirements for applying to teaching positions. So, what do you think about the pass percentages? Do you believe the qualifying criteria are fair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. TS TET Result 2025. How to download your scorecard PDF. The moment of truth has arrived for aspiring teachers in Telangana. The TS TET 2025 results are finally out, and the excitement, or anxiety, is palpable. But here's the part most people miss. Navigating the official website to download your scorecard can be a bit tricky. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to ensure you don't miss out on this crucial information. TS TET Result 2025, your gateway to a teaching career. The Telangana Teacher Eligibility Test, TS TET 2025 results have been announced on the official website, tgtet.aptonline.in. This exam, held across multiple dates in June 2025, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, and 30, is a significant milestone for those aiming to become teachers in the state. With potential salaries ranging from 35,000 rupees to 52,000 rupees per month, depending on the teaching level, PRT, TGT, or PGT, the stakes are undeniably high. How to download your TS TET scorecard, a detailed walkthrough. To access your TS TET 2025 scorecard, follow these straightforward steps. 1. Visit the official website. Head over to tgtet.aptonline.in. the central hub for all TS TET-related updates. 2. Locate the scorecard link. On the homepage, find and click on the TS TET scorecard link. This will direct you to the login page. 3. Enter your credentials. Use your hall ticket number, the exam paper you applied for, and your date of birth to log in. These details are crucial, so double-check for accuracy. 4. Download the scorecard. Once logged in, your TS TET 2025 scorecard PDF will appear on the screen. Download it immediately and save it to a secure location on your device. 5. Print a hard copy. While digital copies are convenient, having a physical printout of your scorecard is always a good idea for future reference. What's included in your scorecard? Your TS TET scorecard is more than just a piece of paper. It's a comprehensive record of your performance. It includes candidate's name, roll number, aggregate marks, subject-wise marks, qualifying status, rank, additional relevant details. And this is where it gets controversial. While the process seems straightforward, some candidates have reported minor glitches on the website, particularly during peak traffic hours. If you encounter any issues, patience is key. Try accessing the site during off-peak hours or use a different browser. But here's a thought-provoking question. Should the official website be more robust to handle high traffic, especially during result announcements? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. TS TET Final Answer Key, another essential resource. In addition to the scorecard, the TS TET Final Answer Key is also available for download on tgtet.aptonline.in. To access it, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Click on the Final Answer Key PDF link. 3. Download and save the PDF for future reference. Why this matters? The TS TET is not just an exam, it's a stepping stone to a rewarding career in education. With competitive salaries and the opportunity to shape young minds, the stakes are high. Whether you're aiming for a PRT, TGT, or PGT position, your TS TET scorecard is your ticket to the next phase of your journey. Final thoughts and your turn. As you celebrate your achievements or reflect on areas for improvement, remember that the TS TET is just one part of your teaching journey. But here's a controversial take. Is the current TS TET structure truly reflective of modern teaching needs? Do you think it adequately prepares educators for today's classrooms? Share your opinions below. We'd love to hear from you. For the most up-to-date information, always refer to the official website, tgtet.aptonline.in. Good luck, and here's to a bright future in education. TS TET 2025 results out. Step-by-step guide to check your scores now. Attention all aspiring teachers in Telangana. The results for the Telangana Teacher Eligibility Test, TS TET, June 2025 are out, and we've got your comprehensive guide to checking your scores. But here's the catch. While the pass rates have improved, there's still a long way to go to ensure a robust teaching workforce. The journey to becoming a teacher in Telangana. The TS TET is a crucial step for anyone dreaming of teaching in Telangana's government and private schools. This year, the online examinations were held from June 18th to 30th, with an impressive 137,429 candidates taking part. The results show that 29,043 candidates passed Paper 1, primary level, out of 47,224, and 30,649 passed Paper 2, upper primary, out of 90,205. That's a pass rate of 61.5% for Paper 1 and 33.98% for Paper 2. The qualifying criteria are set at 60% for the general category, 50% for backward classes, and 40% for SC/ST/PWD candidates. These results are available on the official portal, tgtet.aptonline.in, along with the final answer keys and scorecards. Progress and challenges. The June 2025 results indicate a slight improvement over the January 2025 TS TET, with a rise in pass percentages. However, they still lag behind the 2024 TET results, highlighting the ongoing challenges in teacher preparation. Education Secretary Dr. Yogita Rana congratulated the successful candidates and acknowledged the hard work of all aspirants. The department is committed to supporting candidates through transparent processes and increased preparatory resources. The exam was conducted bilingually, ensuring inclusivity and fairness for all candidates. Your step-by-step guide to checking TS TET results. 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Telangana Teacher Eligibility Test portal at tgtt.aptonline.in. 2. Find the result link. Look for TS TET Result 2025 or TGTT June Result on the homepage and click it. 3. Enter your login details. Enter your journal number or hall ticket number as provided during registration. 4. Provide additional info. Enter your date of birth and select the applied exam paper, Paper 1 or Paper 2, from the drop-down menu. 5. Submit your details. Click Proceed or Submit to access your result. 6. View and download your result. Your TS TET scorecard will appear, showing your marks, qualifying status, and other details. 7. Take a printout. Download the PDF and keep a hard copy for future reference. This simple process ensures you can securely access your results as soon as they're released by the Telangana Department of School Education. The importance of TS TET. TS TET is the mandatory eligibility test for teaching classes I to 8 in Telangana's government and aided schools. The June 2025 test was fully online, reflecting a move towards digitalization and transparency. The test certificates now have lifetime validity, making it easier to apply for upcoming District Selection Committee (DSC) recruitments. The department's timely publication of results and answer keys ensures fairness and accountability in teacher recruitment. The logical Indians take. The rising qualification rates in TS TET June 2025 are a positive step forward. However, the significant difference in pass percentages between Paper 1 and Paper 2 suggests a need for focused training and support for upper primary teacher candidates. While we applaud the government's transparent and digital approach, we believe more can be done to ensure equal access to quality preparatory resources and emotional support for all aspirants. What are your thoughts on the TS TET and its role in Telangana's education recruitment? Share your views in the comments below.